In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar where your spaces are listed. Choose the space where you want to manage your projects. Next to that space name, you'll see a small plus icon. Click this plus icon to add a new folder that will hold your project management setup. Think of a folder as the container for all the lists and tasks related to a particular area or group of projects. After you've created or selected that folder, you'll be prompted to set up what goes inside it. Here, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a ready-made structure instead of starting from scratch. At the top of the Templates window, click into the search bar and type Simple Project Management. This will filter the results so you see the template designed for straightforward project tracking. When it appears in the list, click on Simple Project Management to open the details for that template. You'll see a preview of how tasks and views are organized. Now, click on the Use Template button. Before you confirm, you'll be asked to name the list or template instance you're creating. Type in a clear, descriptive name so your team immediately understands what this list is for, like the name of the project or client. Once you've named it, click Use Template again to finalize. ClickUp will now create your new list based on that template. Give it around 10 seconds to load. This may be a bit longer if your workspace has a lot of data, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. When it's done, you'll land in the list view. This is where you can start adding your project tasks. You can create different groups within the list for multiple projects or phases, or if you prefer, you can create separate lists for each project inside the same folder. Use whatever structure feels most natural for how your team works. At the top of the screen, click on View. Here you can switch to other views. For example, you can choose Timeline to see tasks laid out over time, or Workload to understand who is working on what, and who has more or less capacity. There are many other views you can add as well. You can also click on the board view to see your tasks in a Kanban style layout, grouped by status. This gives you an overall snapshot of everything happening. From there, feel free to edit and customize any of these views, fields, and statuses so they match your own project management style and needs.